Hey, happy Tuesday. This is Michelle, and I just wanted to go live to speak with you all regarding my topic for today, which is don't be afraid to start over. And sometimes you got to take some steps backward in order to move forward. So, if you're tuning in just now, please say hi. Let me know where you're tuning in from. I am in, of course, Phoenix, Arizona. It's nice and sunny outside. The weather is beautiful. Thank you all for tuning in. I appreciate it. So, I realized recently that, especially being a single mom of 3 children, that life is kicking me in the butt. I recently became a caregiver to my fiance. He had a brain injury and he had to have a few surgeries, and then the kids are now at home due to COVID, and they're going to school. And then I have my littlest one, he'll be 2. And oh, hey Kobe, you're in Phoenix. Hey neighbor. Yes, it does feel great outside. So, and he'll be 2 in January, so it's something constant all the time. So I'm always robbing Peter to pay Paul, trying to figure out how to pay things, how to basically get my life on track. And I'm tired. And I'm tired of being sick and tired. So, finally I got to the point where I'm able to make smarter investments. I'm more level-headed. I joined an online program where I get to earn while I learn. So that has been amazing. I've earned $950 so far. Now that I have my head on straight, I don't have the proper finances or even the savings in order to move things forward. So today I'm deciding that I'm taking steps backwards and getting myself more aligned and prepared for what my future has to hold. Hopefully within the next couple of months I can have some kind of relief. But basically, don't be afraid to take steps back. You may feel like you're a failure. I know I have plenty of times when, especially financially, I have been in a financial bind for I don't know how long. I have relief and spurts here and there, but for the most part, it has just been a struggle. And it's been a struggle because either, I have to take steps backwards because I'm quitting a job because of my children, or things of that nature. It could be, one got sick, or when I think about it, it's more often someone else or something else on why I'm not financially on track, opposed to something that happens to me. So, which is fine. Comes with territory of being a mother and everything else that goes on in life. So, I know if you are a single mom or single parent, period, and you only have that one income and life hits you, it hurts. And now we are in a pandemic and a struggle of, if you only have one income, most of us out here are suffering. And if we're not, we're 1 second away, maybe 1 or 2 paychecks away from hitting rock bottom or just being broke. So now is the time to have a second income, a passive income that you can make money in your sleep. So when you wake up, you have found that you have obtained money, income, some kind of source outside of you just working a 9 to 5, because anything can happen, especially with these companies. So I'm here to tell you that there is a webinar tomorrow. It is at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it will definitely change your perspective on how you need to get better positioned for network marketing or just making passive income in general. Right now is the off-peak season, so it's the perfect time to get in with this company, because starting in January, everyone's looking for new opportunities. And if you hit the ground running now, you'll be very successful. So, gotta update, sorry. So yeah, let me know where you're tuning in from. Please say hi. And if you're watching this later in the day, then please click or please type hashtag replay and where you're from. And Terrell, thank you. Yes, passive income is definitely what is needed. I can get in contact with you so we can get that started. But it's for anyone. It could be, even if you're married. So, you just want extra income or whatever. I know I can speak to just being a single parent because I have been for a while. And you know, it's hard. If you don't have the money, then where do you get it from? You know, and there's only so many loans you could take out, and then you're over your head. So that's where I'm at right now, is that I feel like I am over my head. Life has hit me, and it's been pretty much only income since August, and what is it, December 1st? So I realized quickly that I don't have enough finances to support everyone in the household. I just don't. Like, I wish I did, but I don't. So, and that's for various reasons. You know, I'm certified pharmacy technician by trade. Most of the jobs are 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. Well, when COVID hit, pretty much those jobs for me are non-existent, because I have to be at home helping school my 9-year-old and my 12-year-old. So they can't stay by themselves. Like, how are you going to be able to provide for your household and help your children with their schooling during the day? And daycare's closed. So I can't take my 2-year-old there, and I wouldn't want to anyway. Even if it wasn't a COVID outbreak, he was in daycare for about 6 months, and he got sick so often. It was ridiculous. So every day he had a runny nose, or he was stuffy, he wasn't eating properly, he was miserable. So I had to take him out. So when I say life has hit, it's really hit hard. So just take a look at the opportunity. There is, of course, you know, you're entitled to do whatever you want, but of course it costs money to make money. I'm not sitting here saying that it's free. Hi, Taryn. Not at all. It's either you're going to invest time or you're going to invest money. And what I've learned is that, especially with online opportunities, you do have to invest some money. You put some skin in the game. It's, you know, hi, Kristen. Thank you for tuning in. So you definitely have to put some skin in the game. It's not, I've had plenty of people reach out to me and say, hey, I didn't know there was a cost. Well, if you're not investing your time, you're not going to a 9 to 5, and it doesn't make any sense for these opportunities to be free and you're getting paid for them, but you didn't invest anything. You know, yes, Kristen, it is definitely a great platform. I've earned $9.50 in the last 5.5 weeks. I absolutely love it. And everyone that is involved with this opportunity has nothing but amazing things to say about it. Kristen is now live with me, and she, you know, she loves it as well. So thank you. Yes, it is a great platform. So, like I said, the webinar is tomorrow, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please reach out to me if you do have any questions, and just hear it out. It's an hour, little over an hour long. Sometimes it goes longer depending on the testimonials, and Amanda is great at explaining what exactly is, you know, the program, how you get involved. So you don't want to miss it. I know if I'm able to put together my little pennies to be able to do it and earn while I learn, you definitely can too. It's always great to have something passive at this point. And that's pretty much it. Yes, it is a good decision. It's the best online, you know, program that I've ever been a part of. I know that for sure. I have lost so much money, Kristen. You have no idea how many programs or ads I've paid for and lost money. So it feels good to actually get a return on my investment this time, because yeah, we can go all day. But like I said, definitely join us tomorrow. You're in for a treat. And right now is the off season, so she's getting some things prepared for us. And once we hit the first quarter, we're gonna hit the ground running. So thank you and have a great day. And I will see you at the webinar tomorrow.